Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Alright everyone, you don't know who this already. This is the Skilla. And here we are going now. How many of you hear the rumors we are going around about this ancient demonic sword that has been found on the Jamaica Defense Force Campus, the JDF? Well, today the JDF then get a visit, or a couple visit from some news reporters, and one of the officials from half of the campus give them a clear report stating that this sword or no sword was found on the campus. It give an explanation to them, telling them that it might be possible it was found in storage. You know, storage of some of the things them will get seized from half of the ports. That mean half of the wharf. You get me? One time some of the things then come in, you know, so Jamaica soldier them have to go there and take these things and carry it to feed them storage. So that's the explanation we give to the news reporters, saying that this sword possibly is from out of their storage from things that have been seized. You see what I say? So you see with all of the buzz are going, no confirmation yet. So with that being said, this sword possibly might not be genuine. You see it? Just like I said before in my last update, might not be genuine. You see me? I say if it was genuine, it would have changed the history of Jamaica, but it's not genuine. You see me? Now this sword casts a whole lot of buzz all over the place, meaning to say that social media fire it all over, say Jamaica find demonic sword and this sword is a fallen angel sword and all kind of things. You see me? And to be honest, enough people wish it was true, because it would have really changed Jamaica history. We would have know certain things what we need to know, or you know. But at the same time, by the given report, said it's not true. Even though we know that some of the times with finding like these, them have to say things like these to ease off the media in order to get the privacy where them need to do them research, because you know how the thing is, you know, it are coming like how, you know, some special forces do them thing to keep things on need to know basis. But right about now, this is where him tell we, and this we have to work with. So I just saw the thing go, you see me? But anyways, leave a comment and let me know what you think. And you don't know say any new update on this sword or anything certain way. You don't know say Dancehall Skilla keep on posted. So if you need to know more what go on and want to stay up to date with the Skilla, you have to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and this way just see a Dancehall Skilla ENT. Uno big up on yourself, you see? Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.